I'm Leah Ackerman, and I'm a civil engineer, but I also lead our global community of practice for industrial decarbonization. Arcadis provides tangible and impactful solutions for decarbonization to our clients, starting from corporate-level strategic roadmaps all the way down to facility-level carbon performance-based outcome guarantees. We believe that we can meet our clients regardless of where they are on their decarbonization journey. I'm passionate about providing decarbonization solutions to our clients. Well, because one, it's the right thing to do for our people and our society and the future of our planet, but also from a business perspective, it's absolutely critical to maintaining long-term profitability and business continuity. At Arcadis, we recognize there are many pathways to decarbonization, ranging from electrification, energy efficiencies, to alternative fuels. We know there's not a one-size-fits-all solution for our clients. We capitalize on our deep knowledge of our clients' business and their assets to provide targeted and data-driven solutions for decarbonization. We work with clients across the spectrum of industrial manufacturing, from automotive, aerospace, pharmaceutical, to semiconductor. And these clients, they come to us at varying stages in their decarbonization journeys. Some have not really started, most at least have corporate level goals and high level roadmaps, and others are already implementing solutions, generally starting with the easy gains. But regardless of where they are, we can help them on their journey to decarbonization. There are a lot of challenges for our clients in decarbonization, but probably the most common is the disconnect between the corporate level and the facility level. There's different metrics, different KPIs, and even different revenue streams. And it's really important that we bridge that gap early on. We recently helped a client completely electrify one of their plants. We installed solar panels, heat pumps, excess battery storage, and we yielded a 70% reduction in carbon, which directly translated to close to $1 million in CapEx savings annually. We know that decarbonization will save in long-term OpEx costs. We also recognize a lot of our clients don't have the upfront capital, at least not right now. But with our partnerships, we can offer energy as a service, which is essentially performance-based contracts or subscriptions where our clients don't have to buy the equipment or own it. There's a long-term value in our clients investing in decarbonization early, not just seeing your rate of returns quicker, but also to become a market leader and gain that competitive advantage as sustainable solutions become more and more in demand.